Good morning. This is our blessing garden, and I'd like to just take a minute or two to take you through it and show you what we've done. It's been a few years since my last video, but I thought you'd be interested in to see how our garden is progressing. This year we've increased the size of the garden by 2/3, and we've added a lot more vegetables, and we're still adding more. So we've got, I'll take you through it. Out here we've got our little fig tree. It really hasn't grown much in the last couple of years, but it's coming along, and the deer like to trim it back for us once in a while. And of course, that's who we thank for everything, our Savior. We give him thanks and we give him praise every day. And in our garden, we're going to have a cucumber cage. That's something new that we've added this year. And of course, we got our spinach growing here, a couple boxes of spinach, and we've got lettuce that we've already been picking and going along. A couple varieties of lettuce, and of course, we got our tomatoes, and I believe these are cherry tomatoes here, which we like for our salads. There's some onions coming up here. I don't know if you can see them, but we got some onions coming up in this box. And we have a sprinkler. This sprinkler covers half the garden, and we're going to need to get, when we get over to the other side, the new section, we're going to have to add another sprinkler over there also. But our tomatoes, and we started all these from seed at home, and we brought them in here. So all these tomatoes, everything here you see here has been started from seed. And here's some more onions. These were planted here in the ground. And we've got some zucchini and yellow squash. They're mixed together. And these are the beefsteak tomatoes. And here's some more squash. And we're gonna try some sweet potatoes. So we got sweet potatoes here, and we got some peppers, and we've got more tomatoes. So anyway, that's how we're going here. And one of the things we've learned is we use well, here's some well rotted chicken manure, and that really helps really good. So we've got some more work to do to expand this garden, to finish the expansion. But what I want to show you is one of our secrets here. This is compost. This is compost from the city of Sanford, North Carolina. And this stuff is awesome. We had it trucked in. We had a couple loads trucked in last year, and we've been nipping at the pile. And there's worms in there and everything. A lot of life in there. And there's some lumber left over. We're going to make some more boxes with the lumber. And that's about it. Of course, we got wood chips that we use for our walkways. With a local tree guy. He's more than willing to dump them off here for free. What we like to do is we mix this with either the chicken manure. We also use cow manure. But you got to use the kind of cow that farts. That's very important. If you don't use that kind, it ain't going to work. But that's the only kind of manure we use. So I want to make sure you understand that. Anyway, you all have a blessed day. And I hope you enjoyed the tour of our blessing garden. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and a like, or even subscribe, because I'm going to try to do this periodically and give people an update on our garden. It's a little garden, but it's growing, and we're planning on being a blessing to our neighborhood. We love the people around us, and our church is growing, and so is our garden. God bless y'all. Thanks.